Okay, good afternoon. Our topic today is all about graph of a linear equation using 2 points. The objective here, we need to find or to graph the linear equation given any 2 points and x and y intercepts. Once we said 2 points, ito yung points na to na makikita natin mismo doon sa graph na yon. Okay. Before we that, let's have a recall. Give the coordinates of each of the following points. So here we have the given Cartesian plane na may tatlong lines. Tapos, kukuha tayo ng mga specific points na nasa Cartesian plane or nasa line. Ayan. So, we need to find the coordinates of point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, and point G. Ito yung mga locations ng point A, B, C, D, E, F, G. As represents ng dots yung kulay blue na yan. Okay, point A. Since ang point A ay nasa quadrant 2, therefore, yung x ay negative, yung y ay positive. So, bibilangin lang natin yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop tayo kasi andun sa taas niya ang locations ng point A. So, therefore, negative 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ang y naman ay positive 6 kasi pataas. So, therefore, the locations is negative 8 and 6. Number 2, point B. Point B ay nasa quadrant 1, which is positive yung x, positive yung y. So, bilang tayo. So, 1, 2, yung x to the right. Since kalay niya lang si A, therefore, 16 to. So, meron tayong 2, 6. And si point C, dito ulit, nasa quadrant 2, na kung saan ka-align niya si A. So, ibig sabihin yan, parehas tayo ng X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, negative 8. Then, ang Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have negative 8 and 5. And number 4, point D. Point D ay nasa quadrant 3. Negative ang x-axis, negative ang y-axis. So, therefore, negative yung ordered pair niyan or coordinate. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, negative 6. Baba tayo ng 1, 2, 3. Tatlong beses. So, we have negative 6 and negative 3. Number 5, E. Nasa quadrant 4, positive yung x and negative yung y. So, meron tayo diyang 4 and negative 3. Sa number 6 naman, point F na kung saan sa quadrant 1, na kung saan positive. So, meron tayong 9, 3. And last, point G, 7 and negative 5 kasi nasa quadrant 4, which is positive, negative. Graph of a linear equations using 2 points. The graph of a linear equation in 2 variables is a line. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron tayong 2 points, then we construct a line. So, big line daw makukuha natin doon. And we all know that a line is a set of infinite number of points. Set of infinite points means madaming points. Pero dalawa lang ang kailangan natin kunin sa kanya para mag-graph na natin yung line or yung linear equation. Note, when graphing, always be ready with your Cartesian plane with its proper labels and scales. Example, we need to graph 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 using 2 points on the line. So we have steps on how to graph the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 or any linear equations. These are solutions. Number 1, make a table of values. So construct ka muna daw ng table of values. Ayan. Then, step 2, assume the values, 2 values of x. So, ibig sabihin niya, mag-assume tayo ng value ng x. It's either negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 0. It's up to you kung ano gusto mo. So, dito, ang ginamit ko, I will let x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 2. Then, step 3 natin, sulat na natin yung x. Yung 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. y, tapos coordinate xy. Since dito, yung first ko, ginawa ko daw yung x na negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, I will let x to negative 1. Then, substitute x is equal to negative 1 dun sa equation na 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Nung sinubstitute natin, nagkaroon 2 times negative 1 and plus 3y is equal to 7. We need to simplify. Ano yung isi-simplify natin dyan? Yung 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So therefore, we have negative 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. Then after that, yung negative 2 ililipat natin sa kabila. Pwedeng gamitan natin PE or SPE, pero pwede natin gawing transpose negative 2 to the right of equal sign. Once you set transpose, dapat magbabago yung sign niya. Since it's negative 2, magiging positive 2. So meron tayong 3y is equal to 7 plus 2. Then simplify ulit. Ano yung isi-simplify dyan? Yung 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 8. 9. So meron tayong 3y is equal to 9. And then, ang goal lang kasi natin, we need to find y. Ito. Kaso may katabi yung y na 3. Yung numerical coefficient niya. So therefore, we need to make this one as 1. So ano gagawin natin? I-divide natin both sides by 3. Ayan. So 3y divided by 3 is equal to y equals 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Lagay natin dun sa column ng y. Ayan. Then isusulat natin siyang ordered pair. Nauna dapat ang x. So ang x natin ay negative 1. Then yung y natin is 3. So meron tayong negative 1, 3. So we have first point, negative 1 and 3. So to find the second point naman, since na in-assume natin is x is equal to 2, lagay natin dito, 2. Then substitute the value of x doon sa given equation na parehas. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Magiging 2 times 2 and plus 3y is equal to 7. Simplify natin yan. 2 times 2, yes, 4. So meron tayong 4 plus 3y is equal to 7. And then, same. We need to transpose 4 to the right of equal sign. So mangyayari dyan, meron tayong 3y is equal to 7 minus 4. Bakit nga ulit naging minus 4? Kasi positive yung 4 dito. At kapag nagtatranspose tayo, we need to change the sign. And then simplify. So meron tayong 7 minus 4 which is equal to 3. So meron tayong 3y is equal to 3. Same. I-divide lang din natin yan ulit sa 3. Both sides. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So our y is 1. So ang x natin ay 2 and ang y natin ay 1. So lagay natin dito yung y which is 1. Sulat natin, mauuna yung 2, next ang 1 as ordered pair. So we have the second point, 2, 1. And now, pwede nating i-graph kasi meron na tayong dalawang points. So, plot the points na natin dun sa may Cartesian plane. Ayan. So, to graph 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, by using these 2 points, plot muna natin yung negative 1 and 3. Negative 1 and 3, negative, positive. So, therefore, nasa quadrant 2. So, ang locations niya, this is negative 1, taas, 1, 2, 3. So, andito. Ito ang negative 1 and 3. Next, yung 2, 1, since they're both positive, so nasa quadrant 1. So, count lang tayo. 1, 2, 1. So, ito yung locations ng 2, 1. Then, by using these 2 points, construct a line. Ayan. So, therefore, this is the graph of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. By using this graph, we can determine the two properties of the graph. First, the graph is decreasing from left to right. Ayan, pababa. So, therefore, decreasing siya. And since the graph is decreasing, therefore, the slope is negative. Tandaan to, yung dalawang properties na yan. Example number 2. Graph 2x minus 5y is equal to 7 using 2 points on the line. Same procedure lang sa ginawa natin ng example number 1. Solutions, we need to make table of values. And then, we need to assume two values of x again. So, dito ang gagamitin ko naman ay 1 and -4. So, first, we need to write the x. 2x minus 5y is equal to 7. The y and xy as ordered pair. Okay. First, inassume ko na 1 yung x. So, therefore, substitute the value of x doon sa equation. So, ang mangyayari, magiging 2 times 1 minus 5y is equal to 7. Then, simplify natin. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, meron tayong 2 minus 5y is equal to 7. Then, we need to transpose 2 to the right. So, meron tayong negative 5y is equal to 7 minus 2. Then, simplify ulit. So, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So, meron tayong negative 5y is equal to 5. And then, we need to find the value of y. So, therefore, we need to divide both sides by negative 5. So, nung dinivide natin yan, negative 5, y divided by negative 5, y yung sagot. But 5 divided by negative 5, the answer is negative 1. Okay. So, we have negative 1 sa y. So, sulat natin yung x na 1 and yung y as negative 1. So, meron tayong first point. Next, yung negative 4, in-assume natin. So, substitute natin yung sa given equations. So, mangyayari, 2 times of negative 4 and minus 5y equal to 7. So, 2 times negative 4 as to simplify, magiging negative 8 minus 5y is equal to 7. Then, transpose negative 8 to the right of equal sign. So, meron tayong negative 5y is equal to 7 plus 8. Then, simplify ulit. So, meron tayong negative 5y is equal to 15. And 15 divided by negative 5, the answer is negative 3. So, the second point is negative 4 and negative 3. Ayan. So, we need to plot the 2 points. So, the graph of 2x minus 5y is equal to 7 with 2 points, 1 and negative 1, and negative 4 and negative 3. Ayan. Cartesian plane, 1, negative 1, nasa quadrant, 4. So, dito siya. Ayan yung 1 and negative 1. And negative 4, negative 3, nasa quadrant 2. Quadrant 3. Kasi they're both negative. Quadrant 3 po So, construct a line. Ayan. So, this is the graph of 2x minus 5y is equal to 7. Properties niya, increasing yung graph from left to right. Ayan. From left of the graph, papunta sa kanan, pataas. So, the slope is positive kasi increasing yung graph. Okay. Next naman, graph of a linear equation using x and y intercept. Almost the same lang naman to dun sa sa two examples natin. But to graph a linear equation using x and y intercept, we need to let x 0, then we have 0y, or this is the y-intercept. And let y is equal to 0, then x 0, this is our x-intercept. Pag sinabi natin x and y-intercept, these are the points na kung saan mismo na doon natin makikita sa may y-axis at saka sa x-axis. Then after we have that 2 points or intercepts, ipa-plot na natin sila. Example, graph 3x minus 4y is equal to 12 using x and y-intercept. Okay. Solution. Make a table of values. Same lang. Then first, we need to let x is equal to 0. Ayan. So, 0 daw yung x natin. So, meron tayong substituted value of x. Yung 3 times 0 is minus 4y is equal to 12. Since 0 naman yung x, parang mawawala lang yung 3x dyan. So, meron tayong negative 4y is equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 4. So, we have y is equal to negative 3. So our first point, which is the y-intercept, is 0, -3. Next, let y is equal to 0. So si y naman yung gagawin natin 0. So dito natin siya ilalagay. Yan. Then, substitute natin yung y is equal to 0 sa equations na 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. So, mawawala lang din yung 4y doon or yung negative 4y. So, meron tayong 3x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. So, x natin ay is equal to 4. So, meron tayong x4. Then, the ordered pair is 4, 0. So, this will be our x-intercept. Means, makikita natin yung point na yan sa x-axis. Graph na natin. Ayan. Okay. Plot natin yung 0, -3 since negative nasa baba ng vertical line y-axis. Ayan. Ito ang 0, -3. 4, 0 since positive nasa right side ng x-axis. Ayan. Then construct a line. Construct a line. Yan. This will be the graph of 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Yan. Properties. Increasing. Since increasing, the slope is positive. Example number 2. Graph 3x plus y is equal to 9 using x and y intercept. Same procedure. Make a table of values. We let x is equal to 0. So, mawawala lang yung 3x kasi 0 yun. Yeah, so, meron tayong y is equal to 9. So, no need to divide kasi y na mismo yung nakuha nating value. So, meron tayong 0, 9. Next, we let y as 0. So, ang mawawala yung y. So, meron tayong 3x is equal to 9. Then, divide both sides by 3 kasi we need to find the value of x. So, x is equal to 3. Yan. So, therefore, our second point or the x-intercept is 3, 0. Then, ipa-plot na natin. Ayan. Okay. 0, 9, y-axis. Kasi y-intercept nasa taas. 3, 0 nasa right side ng x-axis. So, ayan. 3, 0, 0, 9. Construct a line. So, this will be the graph of 3x plus y is equal to 9. Properties. Decreasing. Slope, negative. The slope is negative. Okay, additional. Graph of linear equations using slope and 1 point. Dito daw, ang given natin, slope, saka yung 1 point. Check natin kung paano to. Example, we need to graph slope m is equal to 5/3 and with point 3, 4. Cartesian plane. Unang step daw, we need to plot 3, 4. Pa-plot natin yan. 3, 4 is quadrant 1 kasi positive yung x, positive yung 4. So, ayan. This is the 3, 4. And then, by using the slope, yung 5/3, para mag-graph natin yan, mag-rise over run tayo. Kasi, di ba, we all know that slope is equal to rise over run or change of y over change of x. So, change of y muna tayo ng 5 beses pataas. Kasi positive yung 5. Bilang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, stop tayo kasi 5 beses lang. Next naman, mag-run tayo ng 3 beses to the right kasi positive yung 3. So, bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3. So, stop. Then, mag-plot ka ng points siya kasi yan na yung locations niya. Then, alamin mo na lang kung anong ordered pair yan or coordinate. So, this is 6, 9. Then, construct a line. Ayan. So, therefore, this is the graph of the slope 5/3 and point 3, 4. Properties niya, increasing kasi ang slope ay positive as the given 5/3. Next, the graph of the slope negative 2/3 and negative 2, 3. Same, we need to plot negative 2, 3. Nasa quadrant 2 kasi negative yung x, positive yung y. Ayan. Then by using slope, since yung rise is negative, so therefore magda-down tayo ng dalawang beses. 1, 2. Then yung 3 positive again, magra-run tayo to the right ng tatlong beses. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Kunin mo yung coordinates niyan or location point. Ayan. 1, 1. Then construct a line. So this will be the graph of negative 2/3 and negative 2, 3. Properties decreasing. Slope is negative as the given. So we have the last one, graph of the slope negative 6 and point negative 1, 4. Same, negative 1 and negative 4. Nasa quadrant 3 siya. Ayan. Then ang slope natin ay negative 6/1. Kasi whole number siya. So yung run natin dyan 1. So magra-rise tayo or bababa tayo ng 6 na beses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then run to the right some beses. Ayan. Then plot. Then construct a line. Then kunin natin yung properties. The graph is decreasing and the slope is negative. Thank you!